$100 a day crypto trading strategy for beginners. The world of crypto is growing larger and larger with little to no signs of stopping. Although the decentralized marketplace is opening more and more doors in order to consistently see healthy returns, there are many strategies and tools you need to consider before actively attempting to see these kinds of earnings. Great to see you once again at No Cap Crypto. Today, we'll be looking primarily at the investment opportunities afforded to us through Bitcoin and altcoin projects, alongside covering the most common trading platforms including Binance, Bybit, and Femex, as well as charting and analysis using tools such as TradingView. Pay close attention and make sure you stick around till the end of this video. We've got a variety of tips and trading strategies to help you on the way to earning at least a consistent $100 per day off crypto trading. The sort of strategies we'll be outlining are somewhat advanced but have been simplified for even the newest crypto investor. The most powerful tool you will ever use across any financial marketplace, be it legacy or decentralized, will be information. That's right, collecting and analyzing information are the most vital primary steps at the very start of any kind of investment or financial decision-making process. CoinMarketCap explained. Of the countless tools available to crypto investors, one of the greatest available is CoinMarketCap. Those of you with a bit of decentralized investing experience under your belt would have heard the phrase CMC. This platform aggregates many cryptocurrencies out there and presents the trading prices alongside some vital calculated figures. However, it should be noted that CoinMarketCap requires projects to apply for a listing. This platform does not just feature any poo coin or meme coin. There's a strict and stringent requirement process in order for various projects to even be considered for a CMC listing. This is clear to see from the average market cap size you'll be seeing on CoinMarketCap. These are generally mid-cap projects and larger. Complicated graphs and data, including price action and movement, may seem very complex, tedious, and intricate, but are all vital considerations that you really need to understand, as they often contain vital indicators that could perhaps hint towards the potential future performance of an investment opportunity. Make CoinMarketCap a habit. Start your day off checking prices and what you've missed across the previous night. Log in and track your portfolio. See how your holdings are faring. Get a general sense of the market as a whole. Really make yourself comfortable, as CoinMarketCap should soon become your second home. Mess around with the settings and perfect the platform for the sort of trading strategies you're planning to implement. Many of these comparative indications are how daily crypto traders go about finding currencies and projects that they want to invest in. Logging in every day or even every hour will let you see more incremental dips. Although you might be in a bull or bear market, there are always opportunities to make money from price swings. These minor price swings are the key to identifying those potential projects you should want to be investing in. Many traders opt for a 7-week cycle in order to consider whether projects are worth buying in. Another important indication is volume. This is an indication of the trading volume, or rather the number of transactions that a project has seen over a period of time. Many actively successful crypto traders look for projects with a transactional volume ranging between 30 to 50 million at least. This is a sign of a healthy and active project that's being traded, and is also an indication of lower slippage fees and the ability to get out of trades. So after closely studying CoinMarketCap and identifying some suitable projects, you need to actively pursue and get personally involved with an offering. There are a number of services or opportunities for you to be able to do this. Big names such as Binance, Femex, and Bybit currently dominate the space. These are huge CEX, or rather centralized exchanges, that offer a great deal of highly attractive bonuses and advantages for traders utilizing their services. Through CMC, users are able to check the market and see where and what exchanges are currently holding any project of their choice, as well as the total trade volume and listed price. Trade pairs are also given. These trade pairs indicate what other currency you would need to buy into a project, be it BNB or ETH or Tether or whatever larger currency you'll be needing. Now that you've identified a suitable project and a trading pair, it's time our hands get dirty and look at the more complex trading indicators that can be seen through the TradingView platform. Although free to use, there do exist some paid plans that allow for more features. Before we get into key trading indicators and the strategies around them, we need to ask, hey, are you liking the video so far? If so, I have good news. Make sure you like and subscribe to No Cap Crypto, because we release videos like this every week. Also, comment below and let us know how you plan on making $100 per day on crypto. And make sure to stay to the end, or else you'll be missing out on some of the most important information we have for you. TradingView has a number of brilliant indicators that are better suited for a number of different trading techniques and strategies. In order to attain that golden $100 per day, shift the time frame of the TradingView graph to 4 hourly or daily, considering the aim of $100 per day, and then look to introduce a trading indicator. One of the most well-suited indicators to this kind of trading is the Bollinger Bands. These Bollinger Bands have been around since the 1980s across the traditional financial marketplace. They're a statistical tool that deals with price and volatility over time and is perfectly suited for intraday crypto trading analysis. The three indicators are the moving average, higher deviation, and lower deviation, with the trading price expected to fluctuate between the outer bands. What is RSI? Relative Strength Index. The more indicators, the better. Another key part of this strategy is utilizing the RSI, or Relative Strength Index indicator. This is an indicator that measures the speed and change of price movements with a value that fluctuates between 30 and 70 by default. Besides using the RSI value to indicate a general trend, it can also be a great indicator of whether an asset is being overbought or oversold. In combining these two key market indicators, we can easily identify potentially profitable trading opportunities. Whenever the RSI is equal to or below 30, the asset is oversold, and the price candlestick's graph is touching the lower end of the Bollinger Bands. This double indication is a brilliant time to buy. Through consistently using these two conditions should have you seeing relatively reliable 4% to 8% growth per trade. Make sure you get out by the time the graph reaches the median Bollinger Band, but don't be afraid to hold if you're feeling bullish. The Bollinger Band and RSI trading indicators can be useful for the long-term swing trading, although they're definitely better suited to intraday investing in an effort to get you closer to that $100 daily income. Hopefully, we didn't get too technical and lose you, but definitely use CoinMarketCap to identify potential projects and lucrative investment opportunities. TradingView is also a brilliant platform that will definitely elevate your crypto trading skills. Combine the strategies and performance indicators we've outlined for you today, and the fast-paced and high-earning life of a crypto trader could easily be yours. Let us know what you think about today's deep dive into intraday crypto trading and that $100 daily income in the comments below. Keep in mind, I'm not a financial advisor and that this video exists purely for educational purposes. Please do your own research and make your own intelligent financial decisions. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on our next video, and I'll see you in the next one.